How to use the Bull's Power trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Bull's Power strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Bull's Power indicator, developed by Alexander Elder. The indicator helps traders gauge the strength of the bulls, i.e. buyers, in the market by measuring the difference between the maximum price and the exponential moving average, EMA. If the indicator value is positive, it indicates that the bulls are dominant. If it's negative, the bears are dominant. How to set up the Bull's Power indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 13. This is the optimal setting for short-term trades. Open an up trade when the Bull's Power indicator crosses the zero line from below, confirming increasing bull strength. Open a down trade when the indicator crosses the zero line from above, indicating weakening bull strength. For greater accuracy, use Bull's Power in combination with other indicators such as RSI or moving average. You can learn how the RSI or moving average indicators work in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.